Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax Westbrook. We are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 V6. As you can see, we've got really nice seating on the aft. So these will fold down and you could use it as a working deck, fishing platform, and then fold them right up to have a really comfortable seat in the back. This boat does have the JL audio system in it. You can see our 2 speakers back, courtesy light down on the ground, and then you can see our overboard scuppers there. So in case the boat does take on a lot of water, you go through a rainstorm, it goes right overboard. Really cool feature about the Montauks. Here at the leaning post, we've got storage underneath the seat. We've got rod holders on the back, as well as tackle storage. This is a reversible leaning post. So if we take this guy, flip it back, now you've got a great area to sit right here at the helm, or if you prefer to stand, you flip this forward and you have an actual leaning post. Here at the helm, we've got digital throttle and shift. We've got our VHF radio, JL audio controls, and our Simrad multifunction display, as well as our switches. Compass here, navigation light here, nice protection, and then our bimini top. So deploys all the way forward, covers the entire leaning post, and then covers a bit of the front fishing package seat as well. So on the hot days, really nice to have this deployed and get under coverage. As you walk up the console, you'll notice that we do have a vacuum flush head and a large storage space under here. You can actually get all the seating cushions stuffed under there, so if you wanted to leave them on the boat, not out on the bow, you can stuff them all in there. This is part of our fishing package here. We've got a massive igloo cooler with our cushion, and then our backrest with 6 rod holders along it, and then even more cushions. So really cool cushion layout here with our backrests that are inserted into rod holders. We've got cup holders behind those, and then in the bow cushion we have additional cup holders built right in. Underneath this cushion here, we've got a fish box. You can double it as a cooler if you wanted to, load it up with ice, put your catch in there or your beverages. And then under this cushion here is our anchor. With the split bow rail, anchoring is really easy. You don't have to put it under the rail. You just go right between the two. So it makes it really easy to use if you're heading up to the beach or just going out to anchor somewhere. You don't have to mess around with going over under any rails. And just a really large, comfortable lounge area up here for a 21-foot boat. I can stretch out completely. You can have 8 people on board really comfortably. It's definitely a do-it-all boat. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check it out.